guys, today I'll be showing you how to add a dependent to your tax return. The screen that we're looking at now is the personal information screen. So after you enter in all the personal information for that client, review your work to just verify everything is correct, and we're simply going to click continue. The very next screen it takes you to is for your dependents. If you have qualifying dependents, we're going to click yes. And we're going to simply enter the dependent information here. Now what our system does, it automatically pulls the taxpayer last name for the dependent's last name. Just be mindful of that. That way you can go back and change that last name if it's not the same last name of the taxpayer. I'm going to enter birth date for the dependent. Social Security number. Whatever the relationship status is of that dependent to the taxpayer, you have a whole list of items to choose from. If any of these applies to your dependent, then you're going to select whichever applies. That's for if anyone was a full-time student, disabled, a qualifying child that is not your dependent. Sometimes if you don't qualify for earned income credit, you can file that dependent, but you won't be getting the earned income credit for that dependent. If any of these applies, go ahead and click that. If not, we're going to simply save and continue. The next page is going to break down the information for that dependent. If everything looks correct, you can move on to your next step. If you need to edit some, you can click this little pencil, or if you want to delete the dependent, you can click this trash can button here on the side.